have a lot of independent contract news reporters out there doing the hard-hitting work. We have people in the Southwest of America. We got people in the Northwest, the Northeast, the Southeast, in the Midwest, down in Louisiana, down in Texas. It's the hard-hitting news channel, guys. Pizzaverse. Breaking news, guys. The Pizzaverse to your laptop or cellular device. I'm your host, Sunburn Trichome, guys. This is breaking news. Welcome, everyone.
This story breaking out of the grumpy DJ camp, we have received footage of the pre-roast party. Soflo of El Sissyism fame makes demands. Our affiliate station, the Grumpy Italian News. Reporter DJ Mandingo with this story.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Breaking news just into our desk. Guess who's back?
Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Breaking news, nigga, breaking news. Check this out. Y'all got to excuse me. I done had a Corona and I'm lit, right? But all I got to say is keep my name out your mouth. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? This gonna be the official what's that, pre-roast listening party. This is the pre-roast listening party report.
Disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Fair use, motherfucker. What you got? Wait. What did you guys start? The day that Chicago Muscle, hey, what do we have here? What did you guys start? You guys had an aha moment? Oh, now that's it. That's it for Soflo.
Free use.
It was give me more power. Remember that day? Chicago Muscle. Hey, Soflo. Hey, who's that? Is that your son? Is that your girl? Is that where she works? You guys remember that?
Fair
I haven't
use.
forgotten that. I will never forget that. Huh?
Fair use, motherfucker.
Thought. Huh? Mr. Destroyer of Channels? Nah, I could destroy this guy's channel. I destroyed Tony Pizza's channel. And I got your destroyer right here. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Fair use.
I got your destroyer right here.
You always talking about penis. There go one in your face there, Chicago muscle failure.
Remember? When you were over there with Angel Gotti, you're doing the right thing by keeping my name out your mouth.
Yeah. Here we go.
And let me do. Let
There's
me
some
ask
of them
you- let me
highlights
ask you
from
for a
that first
favor.
hour of the show today.
Don't mention my name at all. Do me that favor, Mr. Arkansas.
Fair use.
Don't mention my fucking name at all. At all. I don't exist to you. You got that?
Fair use, motherfucker.
You got that? You don't got that yet? Well, you should have it now. Take my fucking name out your mouth completely. Your lips are not worthy to have my name on them. You understand what I'm telling you? I don't need to talk about you at all. I don't need to mention your fucking name, Mr. Wessels.
Fair use, motherfucker.
You understand that? I don't like you anymore. You understand that?
These are excellent highlights.
And I know for a fact that if you were in front of me right now, I would make you piss blood.
Free use. Free use.
Yeah, with the bullshit. The people here with the bullshit. Yeah.
Fair use, bitch ass.
Somebody please explain this to me. Please explain this to me. How can this be happening here in the mob genre, dude? Out of all places. Huh? Keep my name out your mouth, man. Do me that favor. Because I really don't want to come on here, bro, and just completely annihilate you here intellectually. But I will.
Good snitching ass Harry.
You understand that?
Fair use,
Mr.
motherfucker.
Wessels? Keep my name out your mouth, good or bad. At all. I do not exist to you, Mr. Wessels. Do you understand that? I don't give a fuck whether your son is a cop or an ex-CIA or a dick sucker from Arabia. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Fair use,
I
motherfucker.
don't give a fuck about none of that. I will expose the shit out of you here, bro, and everybody here is gonna know certain things in the arguments, and you're gonna have to fucking disappear again.
Fair use,
Just
motherfucker.
keep my name out your mouth.
The pre-roast party
That's
clip.
what I'm asking.
It's the pre-roast party clips.
Can you comply? I don't have to talk about you at all. I don't need you. I don't need you for content.
I've been saying that shit. He don't need that motherfucker.
I don't need you for content at all.
Fair use, motherfucker.
You understand
Fair
what I'm saying?
use.
And I hope all that talking about good snitching got you triggered too. You fucking punk. I can't wait till what's his name? Gay Flow, Ho Flow, whatever the fuck, Flow down there in Flow. Yeah, when he start roasting your ass, we gonna be dying laughing. I'm gonna be making clips laughing, all in your face. And a bunch of clown faces across the shit and devils too. You know, and monkeys for Ho Flow. But anyways, right? When he roasts you like he roasts that Jews chick, like he roasts Piggy, like he roasts all the rest of them, we'll be laughing. It's all good. Fuck you, Harry. Nobody likes you, Harry.
Yeah. Breaking news. So, I guess, Harry, you're on deck. Idiot ass dirt floor cracker. Man, these some good highlights. This just from the first hour, y'all. This just from the first hour. Keep my name out your mouth.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Fair use, mother.
Was go out there and say, hey, can you guys say, why aren't you people donating? What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? You were just talking about a pedophile and all this kind of crazy shit. Hey, why aren't you people donating? Because they don't want to donate. How about that one? Because they know you're a fake and you're a fraud.
That's true.
How about that one?
Fair use,
You're a big
motherfucker.
mouth.
Fair don't
How about that one? That's what you get for coming onto my show screaming. Like you're a tough guy. Don't make me go where you're gonna leave me to go. And then you're gonna start looking very bad here. Don't make me do that to you. But I will. Because I'm fucking Tony Action and you're not. Who's your friend here?
Fair use.
Who's your friend? Who have you met here in person? Who's your friend?
Fair use, motherfucker.
Big mouth? You're gonna come to my show screaming?
Nobody likes you, Harry.
A guy that you came to and bowed down to and bent the knee. Because you had to bend the knee to me. The only way. The only way.
Fair use, motherfucker.
You had to bend the knee.
Never know mine. What DJ never know mine. DJ never know mine. Dingo himself. Hello, DJ. Is that you?
Hey, what's going on?
What's up?
All right. Glad to see you, Bambi P, and thank you for having me on Lady Mob 2 Chronicles.
You're very welcome. I was talking about DJ. He's another one. He's another one that fucking has those fucking guys triggered. They're always talking about when we find out who he is, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, yeah. They're not finding out anything.
Amen, DJ Mandingo. There's another person who don't fucking bend.
No, hey DJ Mandingo, how are you?
DJ Mandingo, my baby, hi. I was listening to you and Grumpy.
That was the legendary, the infamous, the great DJ, aka Blade, DJ Mandingo. Thanks.
I see that there's a DJ in here.
Say go DJ, that's my DJ. Say go DJ, that's my DJ.
What up, DJ Mandingo?
Hey, check it out, y'all. We still ripping, baby. Fair use, motherfucker. We at the pre-roast party. Ha ha! Yeah. Let's do it. Kick it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Ha ha ha. We gonna get down tonight, baby. Yeah. Breaking news, the pre-roast party with the DJ. They gon' roast. Harry, yeah. It's a party, y'all. Get funky with it, baby. Told that motherfucker he was gonna get roasted.
Let's get together, honey, honey. Me and
Get down tonight. Yeah. Make a little love. Roast Harry tonight. Roast Harry tonight. Roast Harry tonight, baby.
That was a great pre-show party if I ever seen one. We would like to thank our news affiliate, the Grumpy Italian News Team, for this story. This has been another episode of the Pizzaverse News. Good luck and God bless.